All right, so blah 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 introduction. We'll fix this later, but basically, this is the web IDE or an early prototype of the web IDE. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop over here and open up this file that I was working on, which is basically a simple app that shows you the Twitter stream of a particular user. Very simple. So we can see here it's written in a sort of XML language that basically just describes what we want our application to do. And then we can also visualize parts of our application in what we call our canvas. So it allows us to sort of see what it's going to look like on the final devices. So you can, drag and drop pieces here, change attributes and stuff, rearrange. But since this is all set to go, we'll just change this label here, go to timeline, and head back over to this. We're going to save it, and now I'm going to go ahead and compile it. Right, so what just happened there is it sent off our project to the server, it ran it through our translator, our compiler, and it's generated all these different things for me here. So as you can see, we've got our Sencha HTML5 web application, and we've got our iOS application that's built. In the future, obviously, we'll have more outputs, but just for the demonstration. So I'll go ahead and open up the web preview here and in a window. Just resize that so it looks like a mobile browser. Great. So this is our app. Let's just see if there's anything funny here. Alright, so there's our Twitter stream. Very simple app, as you can see, but it works. Great, so let's take a look at the source code for that. Cool. So this is a Sencha application. It means it's built in JavaScript. And this is our JavaScript code that has been written for us. As you can see, it's very nicely formatted and perfectly readable by a developer. So someone can then take this code that's been generated by our software and continue to work on it and improve it and stuff. And now let's take a look at the iOS application as well. So pop over here, open it up. So we're going to open it in Xcode. It's generated the Xcode project for us. Well, let's take a look. Here we have it. So as you can see, this is the Objective-C source code. This is all the code that we would have to write by hand to make our native, completely native application. Well, this looks great, but does it work? Let's see. So we're going to run the simulator here. Here we are. So go to timeline, and it works. So that's a quick sample of how this works.